Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions. So today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the YooTech dual wireless charger that I picked up from Amazon for $29.99 or 30 bucks. Alright, so I picked this bad boy up because I recently got rid of one of the primary wireless chargers that I was using. A family member needed one, and I was like, you know what, I can always give it away because I could always get another one. So they needed it, I had it, I gave it to them, that way I can make space for this. And I was actually happy that I picked this up because this gives me the ability to charge up two devices at one time. Now I know some of you guys and gals are saying, but didn't you already have a dual wireless charger that lets you charge up two devices at one time? And yes, I did. But there were a few things that I didn't like about that wireless charger that actually ultimately led me to giving it away to a family member that could actually take advantage of it. Alright, so for the longest time, I've been using wireless chargers like this. Let me show you if this cable is long enough. Flat wireless chargers like this. I had one right here that I told you guys I was going to do a video on. I apologize that I haven't done this review yet, but I'm still working on it. Then I had another one that I shot for you guys, just testing out the camera performance on the Pixel 2 XL. And I told y'all that was the 4K camera sample for the Pixel 2 XL. And I told y'all if y'all wanted to see a review on that, comment down below. Nobody commented, so I never did a review on that. So I actually gave that one away, and the space where that one was, that's where this is getting ready to go. Just so y'all know where it's going and why I actually picked it up. And for reference, I use wireless charging often because my primary production devices all support wireless charging, and I feel like wireless charging is a lot more convenient than plugging it in, because when you plug something in, you got to fight with the orientation that you have to plug it in, and then you got to fight with the wire, all that stuff. And now if you have USB Type-C, it's less of a fight because you just put it in any orientation and you're good, but you still have to fight with the wire. Whereas with wireless charging, you plug it up one time, you just remember where it is, you drop your device right on it. So for me, using wireless charging is more like a convenience thing, and it's really convenient for me because I hate to fight with cables. Anyways, real quick backstory so y'all know where this is going and y'all know why I picked it up. Now let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, talking about the overall packaging, y'all, I have to say YooTech has done a great job. It's very clean, it's very minimalistic. You can see on the front of the package, we just got some company branding right there, and then it tells you what it is right here along the bottom. Okay, clean around the sides, clean on both sides. We got some barcode information and some more details on the bottom here. Get that in focus for y'all so y'all can read that if you would like. Alright, then flipping it to the back, we just have some more company branding, a company website, and the support email right there. Really good stuff there. Alright, and that's all there is to it for the presentation of this one. Now this is quite a big box. This is leading me to believe that the wireless charger itself should be relatively big. So we'll see. But when I talk about packaging and presentation, and in terms of which companies do the best with packaging and presentation, I'm talking about presentation like this. Minimal branding, okay? Everything is nice and neatly laid out so you can understand what it is. So a lot of companies, this is the example of perfect minimal branding on your packaging, okay? We get to see who you are, we get to see what the product is, and then you have all the additional information where it should go. So flipping it to the bottom, additional info. Flipping it to the back, support info. Y'all get the idea. I like this overall packaging and presentation. Now cracking the box, already cut all the tapes and seals off camera like I always do. So hopefully minimal struggles on this one. I think it opens out. So it's going to open like this. And you can see we have the wireless charger here. and then we have an accessories box. Alright, so real quickly what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause. We're going to take everything out so y'all can easily see it, and then we're going to walk through it, and I'm going to give y'all my first impressions. So hold on 1 second, I will be right back. Okay, here we go, and I'm back. So inside of the packaging, we get the dual wireless charger itself, we get the user manual. They did provide a fast charging brick and the charging cable. So let's walk through each of these one by one and see what we get. Starting off with the wireless charger here, you can see you can indeed put 2 devices on. So you could lay a device flat right here, and you could stand a device up right here. And I gotta say, in terms of the build, it is really, really solid. So you can see we got nice rubber feet here on both sides. Got some company branding and information right down here. Get that to focus for y'all, so y'all can see the wattage and everything for the wireless charger. Really good stuff there. And we do have some nice vents. And I think there might be a fan in here for heating. And y'all can see it. I'm happy to see it. That's a USB Type-C port there. So really good stuff. And overall, I feel like this wireless charger, or dual wireless charger, is pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Now, other than that, we have our cable. So this is USB-A, as you can see, to USB Type-C, as you can see right there. And first impressions of the cable, it feels like a nice quality cable, but to be honest with y'all, I have some really nice high quality cables, so I may never use this, but really nice to see that. And then we have our charging brick with company branding on it right there, and some charging information. So let's check this out together. So this is indeed a fast charging brick. So it says output is 5 watts at 3 amps, or not, no, my bad, 5 watts. 5 volts at 3 amps, my bad, y'all. Or 9 volts at 2.66 amps, or 12 volts at 2 amps. So this is indeed a fast charger, and let me get y'all a close-up right there. So hopefully y'all can see that and read that. If not, I'll take a picture and throw it up in post. But that's the charging information right there. And all in all, I like this slim profile brick. Now, I already have a brick that I use, but this is pretty cool. I might keep this and use this as a on-the-go brick here. Really good stuff there. And then last but certainly not least, we have the user manual. So you can see this is the model for the wireless charger. So this is the YooTech MF200 dual wireless charger here. Okay, nice little diagram of the charger, and it opens out like this. Okay, so you got all your information on this user manual here. So good stuff there. Just letting you know, certain cases won't work with this. Certain cables won't support the fastest charging rate. Please use a certain type of charger or use the one provided. And then it's letting you know some of the positions and making sure that you line up your devices correctly. Alright, so good stuff. Y'all get the idea. And it is in multiple languages, it looks like. Yes. So we got English, we got Dutch. Let's flip it over. We got Spanish, got French. Alright, yeah. So you do have multiple languages here. Okay? And in particular, with this wireless charger, let me close this up. This does support fast wireless charging for your iOS devices. So if you have an iOS device like the iPhone 8 and up, and it supports wireless charging, you're going to get the fastest wireless charging speeds with this. Now for iOS devices, it tops out at 7.5 watts. Now it also does support up to 10 watt fast wireless charging for devices that support it. So again, if you have any of your Samsung Galaxy devices, so the S7 and up, it's going to support that fast 10 watt wireless charging. And or if you have just a regular Qi enabled device that supports wireless charging, so like your Nokia devices, certain Nokia flagship devices, so on and so forth, and they support the standard 5-watt charging, they'll work with this fast dual wireless charger. So really happy to see that YooTech actually took all of these things into consideration when they were building their product, and overall this seems like a very solid product in my opinion. Alright, so that goes over everything included, and to be honest with y'all, that's pretty much it. So just so y'all get an idea of how my devices may potentially look on this, I could have one device standing up like this, and then I could have another device laying flat like this, and just make sure it's lined up, and then they'll be charging up. Now, I'll be sure to insert some B-roll at the end of the video so y'all can see what it looks like when it's all set up, because it's going right up here. Let me angle up the camera. So you can see I have one wireless charger on one side, and you can see I already have the cable ran. That's where it's going to go on the other side. And you can see I cleaned up everything with some really nice cable management. And sadly, the stick PC is gone because I have fully converted over to using Android for everything. So I actually boxed up my stick PC and we're ready to go. So the only thing I actually have plugged up over there right now is the Amazon Fire Stick. Alright, and then everything is nice and clean and tidy back there. Alright, so y'all can see where it's gonna go, but I'll have B-roll of this for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like when it's all plugged up. That being said, that pretty much does it for this video. Alright, so if you guys and gals liked and enjoyed this video, or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And you know what? Starting next month, I do think I'm going to disable the like and dislike buttons, and we're just going to leave the comment section open. Alright? So starting next month, we're going to do some experiments with the YouTube setup and see if it changes some things around. But just to let y'all know what's coming in the future. That being said, as I said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. Okay? So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Now, I'm going to leave the content up to you guys on this one. So if you guys and gals would like to see a full review on this product, leave me a hashtag full review please down below in the comments. If you don't leave your feedback, there will not be a full review. So if you don't leave your feedback down below in the comments, this will be the only video y'all see on this product. So let's see what happens. Let's see if y'all want to see more coverage on this. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the regular Samsung Galaxy S7 in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to pose this question. Do you guys and gals use wireless charging on the regular? Do you feel like it's convenient and a must-have? Or it's just something that's super convenient and nice to have around? Let me know your thoughts on it. Or do you feel like the cable charging is good enough and you don't struggle with plugging your device in, so you don't use one of these? Let's get into a nice respectful conversation as to why wired charging may be better than wireless charging, or why wireless charging may be better than wired charging. Let's get into that discussion down below in the comments, and as always, keep it respectful please. I'll meet you guys and gals down there. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day. Hope you guys and gals are being safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace everyone. We are out of here.